Today, we're diving into the world of IP data extraction using the powerful combination of C# and the Ipstack API. If you want to learn how to leverage IP data for personalized and targeted experiences in your applications, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. First, let's understand why IP data extraction is crucial. Applications today aim to deliver more personalized experiences by using users' geographic location, device info, and network capabilities. With IP data extraction, you can obtain valuable information such as the user's region, device type, and internet connection. This is where the Ipstack API comes into play. Ipstack is a popular IP data provider that offers geolocation and other information by analyzing IP addresses. Companies like Microsoft and Samsung use it, so you know it's reliable. C# comes with a large library and developer community, making complex operations like IP data extraction easier. Ipstack IP Location API for C# analyzes users' IP addresses and provides information such as geographical location, internet service providers, and devices used. These tools offer app developers the opportunity to both better understand users and personalize their apps more effectively. In this video, we will first learn how to extract IP data more closely. Then we will integrate the Ipstack API into the C# programming language step by step and extract the IP data. IP data extraction is a powerful tool that allows us to gather various information over the internet using a user's Internet Protocol address or IP address. But what exactly is an IP address? An IP address is the unique identity of a device on a network connected to the internet. These addresses can be in IPv4 or IPv6 format. IP geolocation, a key component of IP data extraction, determines the geographical location of a user based on their IP address. This can reveal the user's country, city, zip code, and even latitude and longitude. Using an IP address API, you can track the IP addresses of your website visitors and gather crucial information. The types of information obtained through IP data extractions are quite broad. General geographic information like the user's country and city is easily accessible. For more precise localization, data such as latitude and longitude can be used. Getting started with Ipstack. Key features of Ipstack include obtaining geolocation information such as country, city, zip code, latitude and longitude, currency, and even time zone based on users' IP addresses. It also gives users access to detailed information such as internet service providers. Thanks to the Ipstack's API capabilities, this information can be easily integrated into business applications and used in various scenarios. To begin using Ipstack, the first step is to register on their platform. Ipstack supports all major programming languages, making it a versatile tool for developers. They cater to every budget by offering 1 free plan and 3 paid plans, so there's an option for everyone. During the integration process, you'll need to provide some basic information and specify your intended use of the service. Once you've completed the registration, you'll receive a unique API key. This API key is essential for accessing Ipstack's APIs and retrieving user IP data. Make sure to keep your API key secure and avoid sharing it with third parties, as it grants exclusive access to your Ipstack account. After receiving your API key, the next step is to familiarize yourself with Ipstack's powerful API documentation. This documentation details the various API endpoints, parameters, and return formats available. By studying these documents, you'll learn how to pull the information you need, determine the geolocation of users, and analyze other IP data based on their local IP address. Let's move to setting up the environment. Setting up your C# environment for IP data extraction. In this section, we will make the necessary adjustments for the Ipstack C# example application. We will use the Visual Studio Code as the IDE. After the installation process, let's open the Visual Studio. Then, let's press the Create a New Project button and select Console App. Then, let's select the application file directory and proceed with .NET 8. How to extract IP data using C# and Ipstack. Let's open a class named IPStackClient.cs in the application file path. This class is the main class that will be integrated into the Ipstack IP location API C#. Let's put the required code in this class. In this code, we set the Ipstack API key and receive the response corresponding to the IP address from the Ipstack API. Let's put the codes in the program.cs. In this code, we will send a static IP address to the Ipstack client class and print the response to the console screen of the application. Additionally, we prefer async operation in this code because it allows the program to perform other operations while waiting for long-term operations such as data exchange over the network performed by the HTTP client. In particular, the HTTP client.getAsync process with the getIPLocation method sends a request to a resource on the network and waits to receive a response, while the program can continue other operations. In this way, the program works asynchronously, increasing efficiency and providing the user with a faster and more responsive experience. Especially when such network calls are made asynchronously, it prevents the program from waiting in vain, ensures more efficient use of resources, and contributes to better scalability of the application. Let's run our application now. You can see on the screen that we successfully integrate Ipstack with C# as shown by the response. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for free at Ipstack to get location data in all programming languages.